Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer about s squared and s. We can do about factorization. Next, we need to put number 3 on numerator and denominator. So I will put the s in here. Later that we need to add about s, then we need to minus about s. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1. S divided by s, we have number 1. So we have 1 over s minus 1 over s plus 3. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s plus 3. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.